What is the average cost of tree removal in Buffalo, New York? Prices can vary, but most local estimates show the typical cost is roughly $616 to $717 per tree for a standard medium-sized removal. That range reflects actual project data for the area and includes basic labor and equipment. Some guides place a broader average around about $650 to $850, depending on tree size, access, and cleanup needs. For larger or more complex jobs like tall trees near structures, costs can extend higher, even into the $1,000 plus range. Getting a few local quotes lets you know what's fair for your yard and tree size. If you need any help, contact Buffalo Tree Service. Address: 1560 Harlem Road, Suite 15, Buffalo, New York, 14206, United States. Phone number: 716-803-8115. Website: buffalotreeservice.com. If this helped, like the video, share it with a neighbor, and subscribe for more local home and yard tips. Thanks for watching.